Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showcasing a silk press that I did for a first time client. As you can see, she has very thick, beautiful curls. To start her service, I started with the Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Shampoo just to make sure her scalp is very clean. Then I followed up with the Influence Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. And she also received a steam treatment using the Olaplex system. Right now, you see me just going in with a bunch of heat protection products and leave-in conditioners, all liquid based, just to make sure that her curls are protected from the heat from this service. This particular client, like most of my clients, only gets her hair pressed out 1 to 2 times a year. I always use several different heat protection products, literally like 5 to 6 different ones, but even more so for people like her because she does go back and forth between wearing her hair curly and straight. So I want to keep my clients' curls protected at all times. Now that I've added all of my heat protection products, I'm just going in with the detangling brush and smoothing through each section of hair, twisting it out of the way, and getting the hair prepped for the blow dry service. Silk presses are definitely one of my favorite services to perform. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments. Other than that, I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please leave me a thumbs up. Also, follow me on Instagram at _prettyrendition. A link to all of the products that I'm using will be down in the description box. I think you unlocked a new part of me. That's what you want. Making faces that I ain't never seen before. Switching places to keep you on edge. I wanna make this last for you. It slips right through my fingers, taking you high to low, and I'm losing control. Oh, you wrap my hair around your hand and you hold me. Can you take it? I want you to know what you're in for. Can you take it? Build you up to watch it all fall down. Can you take it? I want you to know what you're in for. Oh, can you take it? Build you up to watch it all fall down. I wanna give it to you like it's the last time I'll get. Don't you get tired on me tonight. I wanna watch the sunrise on us. I wanna know you inside and out. Without a doubt, I'll make you proud. Can't tap out now. I want you to say you need it. Say you're feeling. Tell me that I'm the reason you wanna stay up all night. Can you take it? I want you to know what you're in for. Can you take it? Build you up to watch it all fall down. Can you take it? I want you to know what you're in for. Oh, can you take it? Build you up to watch it all fall down. Would you kill for me, baby? Shoot that shit for me. Would you ride for me and a nigga lie for me? Stick 'em up for me, tell 'em that it's about me. Shut it down for me so nobody try me up.
He had the gun on the bed. It was so romantic.
Yeah, put 'em in their place, keep 'em in